There's a story buried deep in the old records of Japan, a story almost lost to time. It's about a samurai named Tsukahara Bokuden, a warrior known for his discipline, precision, and mastery with the blade. One night, during a sudden ambush, Bokuden was disarmed. His sword, the symbol of his honor, his identity, his soul, was taken from him. He was left wounded, humiliated, and forgotten. In the code of the samurai, losing one's sword was worse than death. And for a long time, Bokuden believed his life had ended, even though he still breathed. But something powerful happened in that emptiness. He realized, if a sword can be taken, then maybe my strength was never truly mine. He began to see that true power doesn't live in what you hold, but in what you become without it. So Bokuden withdrew from the world. He trained without steel. He studied the wind, the patterns of movement, the rhythm of life itself. He practiced fighting with sticks, ropes, even his own shadow, learning to strike with awareness instead of anger. Year after year, he built himself again, not as a man with a sword, but as a man with unshakable presence. And when he finally returned, people laughed. They saw no weapon at his side, only a calm, silent man. But when attacked, Bokuden defeated every opponent using nothing but his bare hands and a bamboo branch. They called it the style of no sword. But what he really created was a new philosophy. When you lose what you think defines you, you meet who you truly are. Think about that. How many of us cling to our own swords, our status, our looks, our possessions, our followers, believing they make us whole? And when life strips them away, we panic. We think we've lost ourselves. But Bokuden's life whispers a secret from the past. What's taken from you cannot destroy you. Only what you refuse to rebuild can. The samurai's greatest battle was not fought on a field. It was fought in silence against his own weakness. And in that silence, he found peace, the kind that can't be stolen. So, if you've lost something recently, a dream, a relationship, a part of yourself, remember this story. You're not being punished. You're being refined. You're being trained to discover your no sword, your inner weapon, your power that no one can ever take. Because sometimes, losing everything is the moment your true self finally walks in.